Hey gardeners, it's Joe with Greenland Garden Centre. I'm going to show you a little behind the scenes look at our bedding plant and perennial production today. And so let's get started. This is our main greenhouse. We call it G1. And there's lots happening in here. So I'm going to show you some of the progression of how things are grown. We grow about 1,500 hanging baskets every year. So we started planting these guys up around the beginning of March. So they've really only been planted for a couple weeks. And we are starting to hang them now. So you can see on this side, we are hanging them, putting in the drip irrigation, and that will give us room to start planting more stuff underneath where the hanging baskets were originally. Over the course of the planting season, we do plant thousands upon thousands of bedding plants. So in here we have mostly hanging baskets. We have seed geraniums, which are starting to show some yellowing from the growth regulator that we recently applied, which helps to keep them nice and small, promote extra branching so they look as beautiful and compact as possible. Zonal geraniums are growing on this side of the greenhouse, so lots of those. And we also have our flower pouches growing, so they're kind of just starting. Those are always a popular item. The plants kind of trail down and give you this beautiful sort of block of color. And I'll take you over to the next greenhouse as well. This is the header house. You can see there's more hanging baskets that have been hung. We've got a whole bunch of cannas in production. Now, a number of our cannas we do in-house from divisions. So this is some examples of those. Beautiful plants. We have New Guinea impatiens growing here. Here's a sure sign of spring. Some thunbergias, which are already starting to flower. That's always nice to see. So of course, by the time these go out for sale, they'll be nice and full. In here we have some of our annual grasses growing. So things like King Tut, which are always very popular. We actually don't have enough space to grow the number that we sell, so we grow as much as we can and we bring in the rest sort of finished, but that's what those look like when they're just growing. So next I'll show you behind the scenes perennials. Now we don't grow as many perennials as we do bedding plants. And a lot of our perennials that we do grow are actually overwintered outdoors in a plunge bed. So I can't show you that yet because it's still covered in a foot of snow, but I'll show you what I can. We do grow a fair number of strawberries every year. We do 6-packs, which are always popular. So these were planted up a week ago, bare root, and they had literally no leaves on them. So you can see how quickly they grow. Basically, as soon as they're in soil, they poke out and start to grow. We normally do about 5,000 of these a year, so a fair number, but again, just like with the bedding plants, we can't possibly grow as many as we sell, so we end up ordering finished after those sell. We do have some asparagus growing as well. I think we did about 500 asparagus plants this year, so these are popping up very quickly under the heat. Now, what gets me excited is what's behind this door. So Greenland has easily the best selection of perennials in general, but peonies of anywhere in Alberta. We have well over 100 varieties of peonies available this year, and these are brought in from all over the world. This is one shipment of peonies that we received last week. And the temperature control is very important for perennial production because unlike bedding plants, which like to be very warm and humid, perennials like to be kept as cool as possible without freezing them once they're in growth. So these are kept in this unheated receiving area. You can see I have the door open during the day, and at night I close it so that it doesn't freeze in here. But this keeps them nice and cool so they don't stretch too much. But you can see how much some of these have already grown. So by the time we open perennials towards the end of April, these will all be in bud and looking absolutely beautiful. But there's going to be some really cool collector varieties like this Golden Angel, which emerges with this sort of orangey color, and the leaves remain a chartreuse color throughout the season with a single yellow flower. Just really cool stuff like that that gets me excited. So spring is coming, guys. Hang in there. Give us a call if you're looking for anything specific, 780-467-7557. We're offering curbside pickup right now, so you can just give us a call, tell us what you want, pay for it over the phone. You don't even have to enter the nursery, just come up to the front door and we'll bring it out to you. So thanks so much for watching. Definitely subscribe to us on our YouTube channel if you liked the video. Check out our Facebook page, our Instagram at Greenland Garden, and our website at www.greenlandgarden.com. Again, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.